Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making chicken biryani. To begin with, we are going to chop the onions and brown them in the oils first. We are going to blend the tomatoes into a puree. We're using a tin tomatoes for the biryani. It gives it more color. We like to use tin tomatoes in the biryani. You can use fresh if you want to, but this gives it more color, and the flavor is more stronger. The oil is now hot, so we add the onions. They need to be browned, golden brown. Okay, so the onions are now done. We fried a bit extra, so we're going to take some out for the garnish. So that's the garlic in there, ginger and garlic, 2 cubes. And we're now going to add the tomatoes. These are the ingredients for the biryani. So here we have potato, mint, coriander, the biryani masala, and we're adding extra jeera to it, lemon juice, yogurt, chicken. So that's the coriander and the mint into the yogurt. Adding lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. So that's the potatoes for the biryani. You fry them in a shallow oil. Okay, so that's the potatoes, just slightly brown from the outside, not cooked. That's the masala done. So we're now going to add the chicken first. And followed by the masala, biryani masala. So you add the yogurt and the mint, the coriander sauce, jeera, and finally the potatoes. And you mix it thoroughly. You let this cook till the chicken and the potatoes are properly cooked. That's 3 cups of rice for the biryani. We are now going to soak these for about 30 minutes. The rice just been drained. We're gonna boil the rice now. So salt into the boiling water. One tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of vinegar. If you're wondering why the water is pink, that's because we use pink salt. I will now add the rice. Okay, that's the rice boiled. We're now going to drain the water out. Okay, so that's the rice. You can see each grain gets separated easily. They're not sticky. You know, adding the vinegar helps the rice to stay separate, grain by grain. We will now start the layering. So here we have the pot. First layer is the gravy from the chicken. So you spread that all around. Okay, so your second layer is the rice. So that's half of the rice. Okay, the second layer is the chicken, all of it. That's everything. And the third layer, the rice, the remaining rice. So you've got now coriander on the top. Okay, just a bit of the fried onions. And now you have a food coloring. So you sprinkle a little bit randomly, like so. And now we have a milk, 3/4 of a cup. Okay, so we covered the rice with aluminium foil. We put the lid on. Now the next process is the dum, for the steam to stay inside the pot to cook it. So that's gonna happen now. Okay, so this is what we do. So we put the cooking pot on the tava that you make chapatis on. This helps it not get burnt from inside while still giving the heat to the pot. So that's how we do it. That's the eggs for the biryani. It needs to be boiled separately. That's the biryani done. As you can see, it come out really good. All the rice grains are separated. That's the biryani all ready to serve.